Hello, grade 5. This is the solution for our fifth worksheet for lecture 5. So starting by the first question, you have to circle the numbers that are divisible or the number is divisible by. So we have 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, and 10, and we need to check if 36 is divisible by the following numbers. So just a quick revision, you have to remember that a number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit is even. And in order to check if it's divisible by 3, you have to add the digits, and the sum should be 3, 6, or 9. And in order to know if a number is divisible by 4, the ones and the tens together should be divisible by 4. And in order to check the divisibility by 5, the ones digit should be 0 or 5. By 6, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time, then it's divisible by 6. In order to check the divisibility by 9, the adding digits or the sum of the digits should be 9. And in order to check the divisibility by 10, the ones digit should be 0. So for the first number, 36, it's divisible by 2 because it's an even number. It's divisible by 3 because 3 plus 6 equals to 9. It's divisible by 4 because 4 times 9 is 36. It's not divisible by 5 because the ones digit is not 0 or 5. And it's divisible by 6 because this number is divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time. It's divisible by 9 because 3 plus 6 equals 9. And it's not divisible by 10 because the ones digit is not 0. The same thing you are going to do for the rest. So 57 is only divisible by 3. 102 is divisible by 2, by 3, sorry, by 6. And 200 is divisible by 2, by 4 because the ones and the digits, the ones and the tens digit is 0, and 0 is a multiple for all numbers. It's divisible by 5, it's divisible by 10. So applying the same rules, you will see that 4518 is divisible by 2, 3, 6, and 9. The same thing, 93 is divisible by 3. 144 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. 556 is divisible by 2, 4, and so on. Now question number 2, I want you to pay attention to this question. You need to fill in the digits to make this number divisible by 4 and 6 at the same time. So let us just make a quick revision of how do I check the divisibility by 4. The ones and the tens should be a multiple of 4. I already have in the ones 6. So what do I need to put in the tens in order to make it divisible by 4? It should be 1 because 16 is divisible by 4. Now, to be divisible by 6, that means it should be divisible by 3. So I need to add the digits. So 6 plus 1, 7, plus 2, 9, plus 1, 10. So I still need 8 in order to make it divisible by 3 because 18 is divisible by 3. So I put here first 2 or 5 or 8. So all of these are possibilities. If you add the digits, you will get the first one you will get 12, and the second one you will get 15, and the third one you will get 18. So all of these are cases. Also, if you look at this number, instead of putting 1 in the tens digit, I'm going to put 3 because 36 is a multiple of 4. So if you add them, 6 plus 3 it's 9, 9 plus 2 it's 11, 11 plus 1 it's 12. That means I need nothing here, so I'm going to put a 0. Okay, and then I can put 4 and so on. So you have a lot of possibilities. So you just think first of the ones and the tens together in order to make them divisible by 4. So if you can see here, 16 is divisible by 4, 36 is divisible by 4, and 96 is divisible by 4. And how do I find the other number? I just add the digits and try to make them divisible by 3. Now I need a 4-digit number that has no zeros and is divisible by 5 and 9 at the same time. So the first thing you are going to do is to put the 4 dashes, which means I have 4 digits. And they told you that I have no zeros and it's divisible by 5. That means I have in the ones digit 5. Now what about the other numbers? For example, if you want it divisible by 9, then I'm going to put 2, 1, 1, 5. The sum is 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So you have many possibilities in order to make this number, but I just wrote one of them. Now the last question, and in this question, in the first part, we need to find the digit to make each number divisible by 9. So divisible by 9, that means the sum should be 9. If you add the numbers 5 and 4, it's 9. 9 plus 7, it's 16. 16 plus 8, it's 24. So 24 is not divisible by 9, and I need to make it divisible by 9. So I need to make it 27. So that means I have to add 3 digits. So the ones digit is 3. Now I have 42,097. So I'm going to add them. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. And 15 plus 7 is 22. So 22, I need to make it 27. So I need to add 5. Now 83, 8 plus 3 it's 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, so I need only 1. Also you can put another suggestion, maybe, no, I don't think so, it's the only suggestion here. And 5 plus 3 it's 8, 8 plus 9 it's 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, so I need 6. Now I have to check which one of these numbers is divisible by 3 and 5 at the same time. If you look at 10, 10 it's actually divisible by 5, but it's not divisible by 3 because 1 plus 0 is 1. Let us look at the second. The second one, absolutely, it's not the correct answer because it's not divisible by 5. 45, it's divisible by 5. Now 4 plus 5, it's 9. So 9, that means it's divisible by 3. So the correct answer is 45. If you look at the first one, last one, 5 plus 4, it's 9, but this number is not divisible by 5. Let us see the second one. I need the number which is divisible by 2, 3, and 9 at the same time. So if you look at the first one, 18 is divisible by 2, it's divisible by 3, and it's divisible by 9, so this is our correct answer. Now I need it divisible by 2, 5, and 10 at the same time. If you still remember, I told you before that a number is divisible by 2 and 5 and 10 at the same time if it ends with a 0. So directly our correct answer is 400. Now in the last one, I need it divisible by 2, 3, 5, and 10. 2, 5, and 10, that means it ends in 0. So it's either 200 or 600. They told us that it's also divisible by 3. So if you add the digits in 200, it's 2. While if you add the digits in 600, it's 6, which is divisible by 3. So the correct answer is 600.